In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off live photos or motion photos, how Samsung called that, on Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. The process is really simple, and first off we just need to open up our camera app. Then right over here, first off, we need to switch to F-Photo mode, and once we've done that, at the very top we can easily find that icon that is actually motion photo mode icon, and by tapping on it we can easily turn it on. When the icon is highlighted, motion photo mode turn on, and in the same way we can easily turn it off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.